Dan, y fi yw'r swyddog pobl ieuanc egniol yn y dwyrain. Hi, my name's Dan. I'm the participant officer for the east of the county. Today we're going to do a little workout, so we're going to go for a warm-up, then the main section of the workout, then a little cool-down. So today, during that main part, we're going to look at some superhero movements, okay? So we'll get to be your favourite superheroes, go through some of the movements that they do. So we're going to go to it. It'll be about 30 seconds work on, 30 seconds off, with a little bit of rest, a little bit of relax between each round. Brilliant. So we'll make a start. So all I want you to do is make sure you've got some space. Nice room either side of you. Make sure you've got a drink. Drink at the ready, okay? And we'll get going. So in the middle of your space, we're just going to start moving. So I just want you to nice and easy walk on the spot. Get your arms moving. Nice gentle movement to start with, okay? Fantastic, that's it. Keep the steps going. Good, nice easy movements to start with. We're going to continue walking on the spot. So we should reach our arms up and down the sides. Nice and easy. Start to loosen up. Arms up, down to the side. And we'll go the other way. So up to the top, touch your hands, bring them down. Keep those feet moving on the bottom. Nice small steps. Fantastic. Good, and then shake the arms nice and loose. So now we're going to go a little wider with our stance, and we're just going to drop one side, back to the middle. Drop the other side, back to the middle. Good, nice and easy, nice and slow. Just warming up, remember, so we're just getting through some movements. Get our body ready. Last few. Quick down back, walk on the spot. Okay, this time we have our feet about shoulder width apart, and we're going to go down to the floor, touch the floor, and then a nice high reach. Down to the floor, nice high reach. Good, and keep moving through that. So sink down, touch the floor, up we come, and overhead reach. Good work, a couple more. Reach it up nice and high. Touch the floor, reach up nice and high. And back to walking. Now we're going to bring the knees a little higher. So we're going to keep this movement going. And then we're just going to bring one knee up nice and high. A couple of small steps. And bring the other one up. That's the one. Small steps, bring that knee up. Small steps, drive the knee up. And we'll start bringing it across the body a little more. Knee across the body. Last couple. And then we're going to go a bit quicker now. Drive the knees up. And then back to that walking on the spot. Good, good. Should feel ourselves warming up now. Okay, next one, we're going to flick the heels. So same again, couple of small steps. And then flick your heel up to your bum. Put your hands there if you want to. Try and see if you can get that heel to connect with your hand. Good, then we're going to go a little quicker. As if we're wiping something off our shoe as well, and just flick the heel up, and then we're going to go nice and easy. Quicker movement again, a little bit of spring in our step. And back to the walk, fantastic. Okay, last little bit of the warm up. All I want us to do, point across the body, so we're going to just stand, feet shoulder width apart, and we're going to take one hand, reach across towards the wall, and then come back, reach the other way. Good, reach the way across. And now we're going to go up to the corner, so up to the ceiling, reach across, arm a little higher now. Good, and then walk on the spot. Great, so we should be feeling a little loose, a little bit warmer, and ready to go. Okay, so like I said, superheroes, okay? So we're going to do some superhero movements. What I want you to do the movement I do. We're going to do 2 rounds, okay? So the first round, we'll show you the movements. They'll be a little bit simpler, and then when we go to the second round, we're going to make those movements a little bit harder. So it's whether you do the harder one, or the one you did initially again, okay? So we'll work for 30 seconds, then we'll have 30 seconds breather, okay? Like I say, 2 rounds. So, first one, Superman. So find a little bit of space on the floor. We're going to go down like this. And these are our Supermans, okay? So one leg and one arm, lock them nice and straight like we're flying through the air. And we're going to work for 30 seconds. Off we go. Change your arm and your leg. Try and keep your back nice and flat. And try and push that leg so it's nice and straight out behind you. Good, that's it. Keep it going. 10 more seconds. Last couple. Good work. Keep it going. Change the arm and leg over. Good, and we come to our feet. So 30 seconds breather now. Nice little movements while we recover. Okay, so next one is a Hulk smash, okay? So Hulk smash, we know it goes up, smash into the ground. So this one, we're just going to go up into our toes, and then down with our hands between our legs, okay? So, 30 seconds. So get that stance ready, shoulder width apart. Okay, off we go, reach up, smash into the ground. And keep it going. Reach up, smash into the ground. Well done, good work. Keep on moving, let's see how many we can get done. Up onto the tiptoes. Up onto the tiptoes. Good, smash into the ground. Last few. 2, 1, brilliant, well done. Walk on the spot. Good work, good Hulk smashes. So next one is Wonder Woman, okay? So we get that big shield up, arms crossed, big strong shield, and when we're holding that shield, we're going to do a nice strong squat, okay? So ready, 10 seconds, movement we're after. We're going to do 30 seconds worth. Nice strong cross, squat our way down. Off we go, strong cross and squat. Good, that's the one. So make sure we've got our feet shoulder width apart. We sink into that squat. Stay nice and strong. Keep our knees in line with our toes. And cross the arms over. Last couple of seconds. And here we go, 30-second breather. Walk on the spot, shake your legs out while we're having a breather. Have a little drink if you want to. Okay, next one, Iron Man. Iron Man likes to take off, okay? Likes to put his palms towards the floor. Take off, okay? For this one, we're just going to go up onto our tiptoes. So we're going to go 30 seconds, hands down, up onto our tiptoes. Good, up onto our tiptoes if we're trying to take off. Sink down, power up onto our tiptoes. Last few seconds. 2, 1, 30-second breather. Good, make sure we keep that space, make sure we have a drink when we need it. Good, good, 30 seconds. So next one, Spider-Man, okay? Spider-Man nice and low to the ground. We're going to move our way back and forth. So 30 seconds again. Ready? Nice and low. And we're going to move our way back and forth. Away we go. Good, stay nice and low to the ground. Nice and light on our feet. Back and forth. Good stuff, keep it going, back and forth, back and forth. Nice and light on your feet. Try and cushion your landings. Good work, last couple of seconds. Good. Okay, breather now, slightly longer breather. So I want you to just shake everything out. Shake your legs, shake your arms. Relax, take a drink if we need it. Good, good. So we're going to go round again. Slightly different movements, but I'll show you them as we go. Shake your legs out. Take a breather. Okay, so the first one is the Superman's again. Slightly different. This time we're going to try standing up as opposed to on the floor. So there's a bit of balance involved. So we'll be really strong. Keep our core nice and strong. I'm going to go over, reach our way across, okay? Then we'll change legs. Try and hold that pose. If you want to do it on the floor, you can. But this is a difficult one if you want to try it, okay? Make sure you've got nothing in your way that you'll fall onto, okay? Ready? Off we go. Try and balance, bring that leg up. Good work. Bring that leg up behind you. Stay nice and strong. Arm up in front. Good work, everyone. Last few seconds. Keep that balance. Good work. And a little breather. Well done. So, a lot of balance work there. Staying nice and strong. Staying in control. So next one, we're going for the Hulk smash again. This time we're going to put a little jump in, okay? So we're going to jump, come down, smash to the ground. So in between, nice and easy. And we're going to go 3 seconds, okay? 2, 1, off we go. Nice big jump and Hulk smash into the ground. Good work. Jump, Hulk smash, good stuff. Keep it going. Try and make a nice soft landing. Good. Land on the balls of our feet, then our heels touch the ground. Nice and controlled. Last one. Excellent. And a breather. Shake everything out. Good work. So, 20 seconds. And we're into Wonder Woman again. This time we're doing a lunge, okay? So I'll show you that from the side as well, so you can see. We're going to do the cross, nice strong cross with our arms, and we're going to lunge our way down to the floor. So alternate legs for me. Ready? Off we go. Nice strong lunge. Okay, from the side, this should look like this, okay? Keep your balance. Stay nice and strong. Good alignment with your feet. Toes pointing forward. Control our motion down. We should have a nice 90 degrees in our knees. Good work. 30 seconds recovery. And then we're into Iron Man again. So this Iron Man, palms to the floor, this time we're going to take off, so we're going to jump. 30 seconds worth again. This time we're going to sink, take off, okay? Ready? Off we go. Sink, take off, good. I want us to point our toes to the floor when we jump. Get as high as you can. Jump our way up, toes to the floor. Keep those hands pointing down as well. Good, jump, keep as much height as you can. Down, power off the floor. Down, power off the floor. Last one. Yes. Good, good, good. Recovery, 30 seconds breather. Good, during our breather we can do some stretches if we want to. Nice and relaxed. Good work. Okay, 10 seconds. And we're doing our Spider-Man again. This time, a little jump either side. So we ready? Down we go. Work across, jump. Work across and a little jump. Good. Make sure you've got enough space. Try and get your hands to the floor in between if we can. Move our way across. Keep it going, last few seconds. Good work, and back to the middle. Nice and relaxed now. Fantastic job, so we're through the session. Nice little cool down to finish. So, nice and easy. Move around the space you've got. And we're just going to do a nice wide stance. And drop down one side. Hold it there. And back up, and the other side. Good, nice and relaxed. Nice deep breaths. Change over, one more each side. And last one. Good, nice little shake. Okay, now we're going to bring our arm across the body. Point towards the other wall, hold the arm there. Again, nice deep breaths. And change sides. One more each side, shake the arms in between. And last one. So this time we're going to dig the heel in. So take our heel, dig into the floor. Keep the back leg bent, and we're just going to lean over. We should feel a little stretch in the back of our leg. We don't want to feel too much. If you can feel it there, great. Just stop, don't push any further forward. And relax there. And then we change legs. Take that heel in, lean our way over. One more each side, take the heel in again. And last one, heel into the ground, lean our way over. Good stuff. Then we're going to take our hands, hold our palms and hands together, reach up above the head, nice and tall. Then put our hands down behind our back together and down towards the floor, chest nice and high. And back up we go. And down behind the back. And the last one, my favourite stretch, nice and relaxed. We're going to go down to touch our toes. So we're going to have our hands on the front of our legs. And we're just going to go down nice and slowly, and take our hands towards our toes. Nice deep breaths while we're leaning over. Again, don't force it down, just lean over as far as we can, nice and relaxed. Come back up nice and slowly. And then we're going to do it once more. Down we go. Couple of deep breaths. And then back we come. Shoulders back, up nice and tall. Fantastic. Diane Powell, thank you very much for taking part in that. Brilliant session.